Jagoro Mugiyore migao mar somo Laktar Beatrice Nyangala osemo kuom jotij piny owacho mowacho ni osebedo ka keto nonro ma miriambo e kinde timo andika mar jopuonjre e wi kit sir mar somo manyien mar mbalariany. Ka olose mbalariany ma Embu e kinde timo puonj e wi kit sir no manyien, Nyangala wacho ni nonro duto mag jopuonjre mane oneno e kinde timo andika ne nyiso ni 90% mar jopuonjre wuok e anyuola ma ochando, gino mowacho ni ok nyalre. Laktar Nyangala okwayo jotij piny owacho ahinya to ruodhi mondo obed gi adier sama gitiyo tijegi.
We've had some issues of integrity in this process, and we are actually very concerned that out of all the reports we are getting, about 90%, the chiefs and the sub-chiefs are stating that these children are peasants. And we have also had some reports of money changing hands so that the information is doctored. Tukiingiza udanganyifu, hapo sasa nyinyi mtakuwa na shida na sisi pia tutakuwa na shida kwa sababu hatutakuwa na njia ya kuwatambua. Let us be men and women of integrity.
Poor information dispensation. Wakati kitu ishaanza, ndio sasa watu wanaanza kukimbizana na maneno ya information. Mimi naomba serikali yetu tukienda mbele, first wanafanya engagement ya watu, then after engagement ya watu wanafanya rollout ili kila mtu akuwe on board ikifika maneno ya masomo yetu na any other program ambayo inaletwa na serikali yetu. Inaweza kuwa aibu mtoto wa mbunge, mtoto wa mtu mwingine ambaye anajiweza akiweza kupata pesa zaidi kuliko maskini ambaye anasema amewekwa band 5 ama